Good morning, student. Myself, Chetan Gupta, CSE Department, SIRTS. Today, we are going to start the lab experiment of software engineering. So, before we start the experiment, we will see the list of experiment. So, this is the list of experiment as per the syllabus. So, before starting the experiment number 1, today we will see the installation of Rational Rose software. So here I have a setup file of Rational Rose. So I have first click on that folder. In this folder, we have found one text file with the name of key. So first we double click on it and we will have to copy that key file that we will use during the installation of Rational Rose software. So here we are going to copy that particular key, and in this folder we have found that there is a file .exe file that is a setup file. So we have double click on it. When we double click on it, there is an option. So we have to install that particular software. So we click on yes. After click on it, there is an option that do you want to install this particular software. So we click on next button. After next button, again it is asking for click next. So we have to click next. Again, this is the screen for software license agreement. So we again click on yes. Whenever we click on yes, so here is the user information form. So in name field, I have to fill SIRTS, that is a college name. Then again company name. So here I will fill the SGI, and here in serial I have pasted the serial number that I have copied from the key file. After filling this information, we have click on next button. After click on next button, it asking that is this registration information is correct. So as per our information, the serial number is correct. In name and company name, you have to fill your name. It is not mandatory that you have to fill SIRTS or SGI. Just serial number must be correct. So click on yes button. Then after that, it is asking for the destination folder. So by default path is C drive. So we have to remain it same. And then again click on next button. After that, it is asking for various program. So here we click on Rational Rose 98 Professional Java Edition. Then we click on next button. Then again next. Here it indicates the total size that its software takes. So we click on the next button. Here is the installation of that particular software start. And this is the last screen that there is an option that you want to release node or you want to run that particular software. So we click on run Rational Rules and then we click on finish button. So after installation, this is the first screen of Rational Rose software. Here we can see that there is a browse window, file, view. There are various type of options. So all these buttons or all these options or all these menus we will discuss during the experiment. So if we click on browse window, so there are various type of option, that is class diagram, use case diagram, interaction diagram, component diagram, deployment diagram. So all of these we will discuss during the experiment. So this is the installation of Rational ROS software.